basically, if you are doing something, right, you are providing a value to someone, and you are getting earned.
Where you are working with a motive to earn profit, also to deliver someone to the audience that they need. So we can say finding the solution for the market. Also, we can say giving something that they really need.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Again, this is Himanshu Singh and with me Ashok Bohra, and we are here with a new interesting video, and you can say a third pillar of great networks. And before starting a video, I just wanted to say something to you. Is like a lot of people thought about they have to become their own boss, and you can say they have to work for themselves, not for others, right? But at this stage, people think about from where I will get the money and from where I should start from. And they just thought about business, not something else. Just one thing is, if they want to become their own boss, they have to start something which is called business, right? But not like this. Absolutely not like this. If you want to become your own boss, business is not the one way, right? That you have to become for themselves, working for themselves, and business is the one. No, something which we are going to talk about. How can you become more your own boss instead starting a business, and instead of investing too much amount to your company, or you can say to work for yourself, right? So let's move to the video and let's start the video. So today's we'll talk about the three basic topics: the self-employment, the business, and the last one, which is your peers, which I share the two peers that we talk about, the basic peers. Okay, so let's start with the first topic, which is self-employment. So Ashok, can you tell us what is self-employment?
Yeah, sure, Himanshu, why not to do? Uh, Self-employment, where we see ourselves like the word comes from self only, so from myself only. So where we are giving work to our own self. So जहाँ पे भी the way the particular point where I'm start giving work to myself, start giving money to myself, start reallocating myself to do my own work, that what we call self-employment. तो जहाँ पे मुझे किसी another company, organization या platform की need नहीं है, I'm just reaching out to my all the skills, all the things which I need to do something, or I'm making myself employed by my skills, by the product I have made or something. So I'm not going through any door of the company and asking for the jobs, asking for the work. I'm collecting the points of all the works, all the dots from the market, from for my own basically. So that what we call self-employment, जहाँ पे हम एक particular work अपने लिए खुद ढूंढते हैं and उसको खुद ही complete करते हैं. That what we call self-employment.
Absolutely agree with your point, Ashok. Okay, so we can take some few of the examples here of self-employment. You can take about freelancing, teaching for some students, very simple things, and you can just open a small store at your home only. Like there are some people, those who make cakes at home and they deliver to the pan India, or you can say in the state, in their locality, that they deliver it. And some of the painters, those who paint at their home and send it to the art galleries and doing their things. That is also something which you can say self-employment, which they are doing it and they can earning it. Okay, so self-employment is basically if you are doing something, right, you are providing a value to someone and you are getting earned. Just say this much is right. You are giving something value to someone and just you are earning from it. That is self-employment. Very simple. Don't need to put too much things in it. Right. So for this, you can just take a few examples here, which is teaching. Like you can teach tuitions, that you become self-employment. You can open your bakery at your home. That is also self-employment. Even though if you are a graphic designer, designing from your home only, not going anywhere, just collecting the people from the market and designing something for them. That is also self-employment, where you don't have to work for oneself from someone else. You are working for your own self there. That is also self-employment comes in. Okay, now, so this is what self-employment. Okay, so now what it takes it. Just imagine here this we talks about कि self-employment ये है. कि हमने teaching की बात करी, हमने web designing की बात करी. Like web designing sitting at your home, that is also self-employment, right? At this stage, now you are getting too many works for yourself. Just imagine कि आपको ना पहले 10 प्रोडक्ट मिलते थे, आप 10 के 10 खुद कर लेते थे, now you are getting 50 because your values which you are providing to the customers, that is fabulous. They are liking it what you are doing. So वो 50 प्रोजेक्ट्स करने के लिए you need team. एक टीम चाहिए, आपको वो चाहिए, लोग काम करने वाले के लिए लोग चाहिए जो आपके लिए काम कर सके, right? That is where you expand your self-employment towards the business. That's where the business comes. So the people, those who are thinking where to start from, I hope you are getting the answer here. Where you have to start from. Expanding wala part, that's next part. That's we are not going to talk about the next topic, which is our business. Right? This is how you expand. So Ashok, can you tell us what is business?
Yeah, of course. So as you already talked about self-employment, so somehow business is also a kind of branch of self-employment. Where in self-employment, where we see ourselves in all the directions. It could be merchandising, it could be becoming mediatorship, it could be selling and producing goods. So on the same, the business also comes apart. Where business can be done through many things. Like if you have some services, you can serve them. You have some goods, you can sell them. If you have a kind of some skills, you can freelance them. So business can be done through various branches. Business where you are working with a motive to earn profit, also to deliver someone to the audience that they need. So we can say finding the solution for the market. Also, we can say giving something that they really need. Also keeping in mind our own profit motive. So if these 3 to 4 points comes together and we start working, that's what we call basically business. Then the different things comes, like Himanshu, we say ना कि business होता है, यहाँ से भी होता है कि I have just like as just you give an example कि we have just started our van या फिर एक दुकान खोल ली, we have just start selling it. That what we call business. Also reaching it towards so many organizations. आपने start कर लिया, उसको काफी empire बड़ा कर दिया. That what we call also business. So business we cannot describe in from level 1 to level 10. It comes from level 1 and it goes till level 10. So बहुत wider range रहता है, as similar as self-employment. So once you are becoming a businessman, you are just starting your own business, you can employ lot of them, you can produce so many goods, you can satisfy so many clients, you can earn so much. So these are the great things that we can do actually by business.
Yeah, absolutely agree with your point, Ashok. So I also want to add something on it. So what is business in a simple words? Like business is providing values to someone on a very large level and getting earned from it. It could be a service, like आप कोई service दे रहे हो, as like if you are a teacher, you are giving service to someone else by teaching, right? If you have a product business, like हमने कोई product बनाया, like if I have a business of a product which is called bottles. Okay, मैंने कोई bottles की factory खोली, that is I'm selling to someone on a large scale. That is also a business, right? It comes with services as well. It comes with products as well. That is which you can add. That is what business is. And from you have to start is you can start with self-employment, as it said it. In the starting, I have also told you like people always think about where to start it. So self-employment is the first stage where you just get a few people and you work by your own self. Like जो पूरा business आपका model है, that you work for by your own. Like you are the founder and you are working for a whole. And in a business, you have a team. There are a lot of people working for you and working with you as well. Not for you, they are working with you to have a successful business organization for that particular industry. Right? That is for you.
Yeah.
I have to hire a lot of people. That is business. And self-employment is where you just work alone to build something great. Here you have to, in a business, to make a team to build something great. This is business. This is what I have to understand first. Right? Move ahead towards the next topic, which is the fear of people having in the mind, like whenever they start for a self-employment or for a business. Like they thought about money, and the next one, which is very common, which is where to start from. Like मैं start कहाँ से करूँ? That's always a beginning of the things. Okay, so Ashok, can you tell about money and this?
All right, Himanshu. So comes from lot of the ensures that people comes to the question ki how much I should spend for my business before starting even the business, or we can say getting into self-employment. They used to think ki how much I should spend. Recently I was just chatting of one of my friend, and he just asked me, bhai, I do have this particular x of amount, how should I start my business and what business I should start. So उसका business start हो रहा है उसके पैसे से, जितना भी उसपे पैसा है
ठीक है।
वो अपने जो भी उसकी जेब में भी पैसा पड़ा है वो उसको देख के सोच रहा है कि अब मैं बिजनेस कौन सा करूँ इस पैसे से. ही और शी इज नॉट थिंकिंग अबाउट कि विच बिजनेस आई शुड स्टार्ट जो मेरा इतना मनी से हो जाएगा. वो ये सोच रहा है कि वो उसका फोकस मनी पे है कि अभी मेरे पे इतना पैसा है तो विच बिजनेस आई शुड स्टार्ट. तो बट the statement goes totally differently here. If you go through self-employment, go to business, both are same. So in this particular point, we have to look at the skills, the passion we are keen with. So if you do have some good skills, just start working on this. Start with very basics. Just start. I'm telling you, in India, finding people who are keen for learning is very simple. You'll find lots of people who actually want to do
Absolutely.
something. So just connect with them, just start working with them for some months, and you'll find so many ways to build your setup. Maybe you cannot afford all those boundaries, but your partners can. So just start reaching people, learning from them, and money actually matters, but I'll not say only money matters for starting the business. That's all, Himanshu.
Yeah, absolutely agree with you that for starting a business, you don't need too much money. You need money just to put a small setup, like a piece of environment for you. Like if you are sitting somewhere, just a piece of environment. कि आपको desk चाहिए बैठने के लिए. If you are going for online business, which is related to laptop and other thing, एक desk चाहिए मुझे, एक chair चाहिए बस. इतना investment करना. And that is you can do it. For a web designer, for a web developer, for software developers, this is what you people need. भाई एक डेस्क चाहिए मुझे, एक लैपटॉप चाहिए और मेरे को कुर्सी चाहिए, बात खत्म. कितनी तो चीज चाहिए. That is what self-employment start with. Just start with self-employment. Here you will gain the money. Day by day, projects will come and business will build. फिर वहाँ पर सोचेंगे money का क्या करना. That's what you have thought about. Okay, let's talk about the second one as well. So second one, people thought about where to start from. We are telling, हम वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग से एक ही चीज बात कर रहे हैं, भैया सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट से स्टार्ट हुआ. कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ? सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट से. मतलब ये नहीं सोचो कि आज ही मेरे को एक अंपायर खड़ा कर दूं. आज वो वाला सिस्टम नहीं है कि रातों रात करोड़पति बन जाए. रातों रात कोई नहीं बन पाए. So just make sure that you start from self-employment. Like I'll just take you a very common, very genuine and very real life example. कि me, Ashok and me started something which we want. Like we want that, okay, this is good for us, and also we can share it with other people, and we can earn it from as well. Right? YouTube is just very simple, basic example of your self-employment. YouTube पे जो videos आप लोग देखते हो, that is also comes from self-employment, right? People get earned from it. There are a lot of biggest YouTubers. Mr. Beast, there is the biggest YouTuber of the world, right? He earns from it. So the same way, you can also earn. Come on the YouTube or any other particular platform. That is what you have to just go. Start कर दो. Like we also don't think कि हमें कोई बड़ा setup चाहिए या हमें कोई बहुत बड़ा वो चाहिए. We just started. So also you should also start it. Just start. There are a lot of successful businesses have just started. Okay. किसी ने इतना सोच के नहीं इसको बैठे थे. The lot of people just started the thing like कि start कर ही दे. चलो कर देते start. बस वो करना हो गया. That's where you have built the business. You don't think from where to start. Just start. If you have an idea and you think that's good and perfect for you, just go ahead. Don't wait.
Actually,
you have to take care.
I would like to add in this, Himanshu. For one thing, like you just said a great thing here. Just start. We actually don't understand the meaning of it. But if you just start at once, let's take a very basic example. In today's date, people are at least good at communication, right? So if you are not even good at, so ho jao. Because future is all about your communication. If you are not even good at communication, the first skill that you should have communication only. So you need to be. If you're good at communication, let's take an example. So you can speak to the people. First skill that you have. You can teach them if you know something. So just start teaching them if you're good at something. Also, if you can train something, if you can speak to someone, so there are platforms you can get paid for your teaching. There are references of people you can get paid. भाई स्टार्ट ना कहीं से भी हो सकता है, फ्रॉम एनी बेसिक स्किल्स। यू आर गुड एट प्लेइंग समथिंग, गिटार बजाने में अच्छा लगता है तो बिकम अ गिटार ट्रेनर, ऑनलाइन लोग मिल जाएंगे आपको सीखने वाले। आप स्पोर्ट्स में अच्छे हो, आप ट्रेनर बन जाओ, जिम में अच्छे हो, आप जिम ट्रेनर बन जाओ, आप किसी अदर चीज में अच्छे हो, तो यू कैन जस्ट स्टार्ट योर जर्नी अकॉर्डिंगली, पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट, जिस भी चीज में इंटरेस्ट है, तो यू विल हैव टू स्टार्ट। बट वंस यू स्टार्ट ना, you see yourself कि after a while, after 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, your journey becomes more broader. अब आपको कुछ ऐसे ऑप्शंस दिख रहे हैं जो आपको पहले पता ही नहीं थे, ना आप कभी सोचते अगर आपने स्टार्ट नहीं किया होता तो दैट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग, यू हैव स्टार्टेड। अब आपको बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस दिख रहे हैं, जस्ट स्टार्ट टेस्टिंग देम, एंड दैट्स व्हाट द लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट, जस्ट टू एक्सप्लोर, जस्ट टू फाइंड न्यू बाउंड्रीज, जस्ट अचीव देम, दैट्स ऑल। But it's important to start, as Himanshu shared. That's a lovely point. Thank you. Alright, so that's all about today's video. So if you are till now with us, that's lovely. You guys really want to do something in your life. Yeah, we'll be again here on the same channel with something new insights and something more productive. So yes guys, see you all soon. Don't forget to like the video, comment on it. Your comments matters a lot. That give us motivation to make some different kinds of videos accordingly. If you wanna see some specific topic, then please comment below. We'll be making new videos accordingly. That's all. Bye bye.
Bye everyone.
So